Morning everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. I hope everybody had a good weekend. Looking this morning, we're down, the current trade's 1364. We've been as low as 1360 quarter. We're making a little bit of a run now back towards the 9-day pivot at 1365.33, and that was really the area where things started to break down last night. They lost the 3-day pivot at 1367.5. And then on the Europe Open, instead of seeing that buying that we've been seeing for so long, 3:30 in the morning every morning, we actually saw selling. They sold the Open in Europe, which is a change in dynamic. So that really needs to be noted. And they're making a little rally here, up off of 60 quarter. And so we'll see what we do into the Open. I mean, the dip buyers are going to be there. They're going to come in and buy this dip. And the question becomes, are they going to buy it for 10 handles, or are they going to buy it for 2 handles, or are they going to have to scratch the trade? And that's another dynamic that needs to get reversed. So if we consistently see now Europe getting sold versus Europe getting bought, and we see the dip buyers coming in for less and less profit on that dip trade, then you'll continue to see the ES kind of start to roll over a little bit. The Russell has already rolled over. It's below its 20-day moving average, exponential moving average, and it was unable to get that average back on Friday, and it's still below that average. Do I expect the 20-day moving average, exponential moving average in the Russell to be tested? Absolutely. I think it'll be tested. It sits there at around 813 on the Russell 2000 futures, and what happens from there remains to be seen. It could break back above, or the 20-day exponential could prove to be resistance. So we'll have to see how that trade plays out. Today, I'm looking for I'm looking for the bulls to come in and run this up a little bit, and then I'm looking to see what the bears can do. Are they resilient enough to come in and knock down a lower high and push it to new lows versus the Globex lows at 1360 quarter? The 20-day pivot is down at 1358.66. The 20-day exponential moving average in the ES is down in the 1354 to 1355 area, depending on your software, basically. So that area I fully expect to get tested in the next couple of days. Let's do support and resistance. So current trade 1364 upside first, 9-day pivot 1365.33, then your 3-day pivot 1367.5, daily pivot 1370.17, then 1373. The current high, which is 1377 quarter, 1383, 1389, 1394, 1397, and 1401. On the downside, 20-day pivot, 1358.66, 20-day exponential, 1354.53. Then the swing low from the prior swing low, which is 1350 quarter, 1347, and 1343. So everybody use stops today, be hedged, have a great day. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader for Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.